plan for today. We're gonna go do some street scrapping. We'll find something or we won't. Then gonna go home, pick up all the #2 insulated copper wire and possibly some aluminum breakage, some dirty aluminum stuff. Haul it in, see what we get paid for that, and I don't know, we'll see from there. So let's go see what we can find. Few pans. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees today. Pretty good for March in this area. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna find, if anything. You'll either see this if I find some stuff, or you won't if I don't. But I think I've already seen one truck cruising the area, and the trash trucks are already halfway through here anyway. So I don't know. Scraps up so everybody comes back out, I guess. Alright, see what we find. Cord. Ah, jeez, it's not worth it. That's exactly why I don't try to pull those things out of there. It's just not worth it. Always a mop head or a broom head or something on the bottom of that pole, and wants to bring everything out of the trash can for 3.5 cents. So we'll take the cord. Ice maker. She got a little bit of weight to it. What do we got? What do we got? Fan. I don't know if that little side table would sell on Marketplace or not. So I'm gonna say, or not. So I don't want it sitting around. Alright. Go find some more junk. What is it? Aluminum. Oh, that's steel. That's aluminum though. Is it metal? No. Plastic. No plastic. Alright, let's see what it is, It's not gonna pay the bills, guys. Not gonna pay the bills. Although that's not how I pay my bills, but it'd be nice to have a little bit more than that. Alright, let's keep going. Alright. Well, that's all I got for today. Not much, but it's kind of normal. Normal for me, so got a few cords to add to what we're taking today. And I'll go grab that, bring it out here and show you what we're going to be taking in, and we'll go from there. Alright, there it is. I got two stainless sinks, 3 totes of should be number 2 insulated copper wire, 1 crate, some Christmas lights, and 6 dirty aluminum heads. So we'll see what we get out of these. I don't know. First time I've ever really dealt with anything like that. So we'll run it to the yard. You can tag along if you want, see what I get paid for all this junk people threw out. So, alright. To the scrapyard. But first, the post office. So, sold some things on eBay. Some of our videos have the link to the eBay store if you want to go check that out. See if we have anything you want to buy. If not, that's cool too. We'll see you at the scrapyard. Okay, well, I made it to the post office. I didn't make it to the scrapyard yet though. Right around the corner from the post office is a heating and cooling place, and occasionally they have some things out by the dumpster, and this just happened to be out there, so brought it back here to unload it, which is kind of, my house is kind of on the way anyway. So I'll pull that blower motor out of there and all this wire off, and then I'll run the rest of it in. So, all right, get that unloaded and we'll go to the scrapyard. All right, so aluminum breakage, the aluminum heads, 142 pounds. 21 cents a pound for $29.82. Number 2 copper wire, 209 pounds, minus the 13 pounds for the totes. Comes out to 196 pounds at $1.59 a pound for $311. Okay, that's just clipping those cords. You see us clip them. Copper wire, the mixed insulated was the Christmas lights. Got 11 pounds of that, only 10 cents a pound for $1.10. And then the 2 stainless sinks, 21 pounds for $1.29 a pound, $27.09 for grand total $369.65 for. I mean, you've seen me pick those cords in every episode or every video, so that's adds up. Pretty good chunk of change there. So that's gonna do it for this episode, or this video, whatever you want to call it. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you leaving a comment down below. Say whatever you want to say, I don't care. Appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.